Good morning, Shay Shay. Say hi, Teacher Charlotte.
Hi, Teacher Charlotte.
Okay, we're gonna do some of your cards, and let's start out now. Can you tell me how many this is?
11.
That's what it is, but how many?
1.
1. Good job. And how many?
2.
2. Good job. And what are they?
Zebra.
They're giraffe.
Giraffe.
Yeah. Okay. How many?
3 tigers.
3 tigers. Excellent. And how many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Excellent. Good job. And how many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. Excellent. What are those?
Octopus.
Octopus. Yeah. Great job. How many?
6.
Oh, count again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. 9 what?
I can't find it out.
Doggies?
Doggies.
Great job. Okay. How many?
We turn around.
No. How many?
Why didn't you say my number?
No, you have to count.
They are 7.
Which one?
It's probably 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7.
7. Good job. And what are they?
Horse.
Horsey. Yeah. Good job. Okay. How many?
Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
6. Excellent.
Good one.
What are they? What kind of animal is that?
Penguins.
Yes, penguins. Okay. How many?
4.
4. Good job. What are they? Kangaroo? I know you didn't know what that was. What's this?
5 zebras.
5 zebras. And how old is Shay Shay? How old are you?
5.
5. There you go. 5. Good job. Okay. Couple more cards. Okay. This one is, which one is bigger? Good job.